need 1 minute. I'm not taking pictures. Don't touch it. I just need 1 minute, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, beautiful people. It's your girl Patricia, creator of the Motherland blog. And I have been gone for a very long time. Sorry, because I let life happen. That's the way life is. I've been running a business. I run the Motherland blog. If you're not following me on Instagram, please check us out. It's a business of handmade items that are either handmade by me or handmade by artists in Africa, and we are fair trade, so people are paid a living wage, and it's giving back to the community, and it helps me, who's a full-time stay-at-home mom and entrepreneur. That's what I do for a living. I did not return to my job after maternity leave. I feel like we could have a whole conversation about that, but that's not what I came here for. So since I'm back, I want to hear, what do you want to see me do? What do you want from this page? What do you want me to review? What's going on in the YouTube where I've been going so long? If you follow me on Instagram, you know I had locks for a whole year and they're gone. If you want to hear about my lock journey, let me know. I will include some pictures, give you the scoop, tell you why I took out my locks, how long it took, how I did it. I got all this information in here that I could be sharing with y'all. So I hope that you're welcoming me back. I'm going to try to create a video at least once a week. I think I could do once a week. Thank you to everybody who's been patient with me and those who are excited to see me. I'm excited to be back. And with a little time management, I know I can do this. So please just help me find some content to create. Drop it down below. What's going on? Talk to me, please. Until next time, peace.